Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to understand some legal terms and meanings. There are words in legal dictionary which are mostly used in the field of law and justice. These words originate from English, French, and Latin languages. Thus, to know the meaning of these words has become necessary. First one, abandon means to give up. Abandonment means to surrender or relinquishing of a chattel, right, or claim with the intention of not reclaiming it. That means आपने सरेंडर कर दिया है और आप उसको वापस क्लेम नहीं करेंगे. ये कहलाता अबैंडनमेंट. अबेटमेंट मीन्स सस्पेंडिंग ऑफ एन एक्शन. किसी एक्शन को निरस्त कर देना. एब्डिकेशन वॉलंटरी रिनंसिएशन ऑफ एन ऑफिस. रिनंसिएशन का मतलब होता है जानबूझ करके छोड़ना, त्याग कर देना. सो एब्डिकेशन इज वॉलंटरी रिनंसिएशन मीन्स पूरे होश व हवास में किसी ऑफिस का त्याग कर देना. एबडक्शन इज रॉन्गफुल टेकिंग अवे ऑफ अ पर्सन, जिसको आप किडनैपिंग भी जानते हैं. Abduction child, an offense connected with a child under 16 years of age to take or send the child out of his place. Abet, to assist in commission of an offense when one is present actively or constructively. Abeyance, state of suspension. Abjuration, renunciation by oath. Abode, a place of residence, रहने की जगह. Abominable, refer to sodomy or bestiality. Abortion, separation of non-viable human fetus from its mother. Abrogate, to repeal, annul, or cancel. Abscond, to depart secretly or to hide oneself from jurisdiction of the court so as to avoid legal process. Absolute, without conditions, complete, as in decree absolute. Absolute duties, duties to which there are no corresponding rights. Absolve, to release from some responsibility of obligation. Abuse, words of vituperation, insult, but does not amount to defamation. तो ये डिफमेशन नहीं होता है लेकिन इंसल्टिंग वर्ड्स होते हैं, सो इट इज़ कॉल्ड अब्यूज़. अब्यूज़ ऑफ प्रोसेसेस, improper use of legal process. Avoir, assistance by way of representation, refer to legal aid scheme. ACAS, ACAS, advisory, conciliation and arbitration service. Acceptance, an assent to all the terms of the offer. Assess, opportunity of sexual intercourse between husband and wife. It can be said that the husband had access to his wife for purpose of procreation. Accession, succeeding to the throne, procedure of transfer of property from one to another. Accessory, one who is concerned in the commission of an offense other than as principal. Accident, any unintended and unexpected occurrence which produces hurt or loss. Accommodation bill, a bill of exchange to a person who has not received value for it. Accomplice, a person associated with another in commission of crime. Accord. An agreement is the accord. The consideration is the satisfaction. Accretion. Growth of land resulting from gradual and imperceptible accumulation by natural causes. Accrue. To fall as a natural growth or increment. Accused. One charged with an offense. Acknowledgement. The action of acknowledging a thing done or given in recognition of something received. Acquiescence. Consent which is expressed or implied from conduct, example, silence or inactivity. Acquittal. Discharge from prosecution following verdict of not guilty or successful plea in bar. Acquittance. A discharge in writing of sum of money or other duty which is ought to be paid or done. Act. Act of Parliament or a deliberate omission by a person. Action. Formal exercise of right of suing for that which is due. Action. Cause of. A factual situation that existence of which entitles one person to obtain a remedy against another person. Act of God. An extraordinary circumstance which could not be foreseen. Act of indemnity. An act legalizing certain activities which were illegal at the time when they were carried out. Act of law. Acquisition of title. Act of Parliament. The will of legislature. Act of state. The act of executive. Addiction. Compulsive, psychological or physiological need. Example, for a drug. Adduce. To present or bring forward. Example, evidence in support of some proposition or statement already made. Adjacent. Close to, nearby, next to. Adjourn. To postpone or suspend the hearing of the case until a further date. Adjudication. Formal judgment or decision given by the court. Administrative tribunal. Tribunals outside the hierarchy of courts exercising jurisdiction conferred by Parliament. Administrator. One appointed by court to manage the property of deceased person in the absence of an executor. Admiralty Court. A part of QBD continuing decision judges of the High Court. Admissibility of evidence. Evidence is receivable by the court only if relevant and admissible. Admissions. In court proceedings, those facts or parts of the case which are admitted or taken to be admitted by parties to an action. Admissions by privies. Statements by persons who were at the time of their making in privity with a party. Adoption. Incorporation of international law into municipal law. Example, by custom, process effected by a court order whereby parental responsibility for a child is given to adopter. Adult, person of full age. Adulteration, an offense under Preservation of Food Adulteration Act resulting from the adding of a substance to food which renders it dangerous to health, done with the intention that it should be sold in that state for human consumption. Adultery, an act of voluntary sexual intercourse which need not be completed between two persons not married to each other. Advocate, any person exercising a right of audience as a representative of or on behalf of any party to legal proceedings. Affidavit, written statement, sworn or affirmed usually before a commissioner of oath. Affinity, relationship resulting from marriage. Affirmative, pregnant. An assertion is a pleading implying or not excluding some negative. Aggravated assault, an assault such as that committed upon a woman, meriting a more severe punishment than that following a common assault. Aggrieved persons, a man who suffered legal grievances. Adjustment, the taking of another's animals to graze on one's pastures for reward. Aganates, relations by father's side. Aid or abet, knowingly assisting the perpetrator of a crime. Alcoholism is an addiction. Alias, second name or assumed name. Alibi, elsewhere an excuse, argument by the accused person that at supposed time of commission of the offense he was elsewhere. Alien, who is not a citizen of country. Alienable, capable of being transferred. Alienate, to exercise the power of disposing of or transferring property. Alienation, power of disposing of or transferring an interest in property. Elementary trust, protective trust. Alimony, the allowance which a married woman sues for a separation from her husband. Attestation, the act of attesting. Attorney, one appointed by another to act in his place. Atonement, acknowledgement by a tenant or bailee to atone for a new owner or party. Auction, public sale of property by an auctioneer to the highest bidder. Audit, detailed inspection of accounts, usually by a person not employed within the organization. Auditor, a member of a recognized body of accountants who examines accounts. Authenticate, to make valid and effective by proof or by appropriate formalities as required by law. Authorized capital, the total amount of capital which a company is authorized by its memorandum of association to issue as shares. Authority, a body exercising powers. Automatism, an act done by muscles without any control by mind. Automatic legislation, legislation by a body which has independent power to legislate for its own members. Autonomy, power of self-government. Avail, guarantee for payment. Avertment, allegation or affirmation made in pleadings. Avoidance, setting aside, making null or void. Award, the decision given by an arbitrator or umpire. So here we end some of the meanings of legal terms with the alphabet A. Next video will consist of legal terms starting with the alphabet B. Bye bye for now. Keep learning. Stay blessed.